Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.
This is a 2005 Saab 9-3. It has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. With an EPA estimated rating of 32 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Its top features include dual power seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, leather seats, cruise control, stereo controls on the steering wheel, a premium audio system, a CD player, traction control and stability control systems, halogen headlights, and this vehicle has fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this Saab qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Now that you've seen the car of your dreams, come see the dealer of your dreams. Sewell. Service, sales, and efficiency so obsessive, you'll want to pinch yourself.